Good morning, everyone. I hope you've been good. Welcome back to my channel. It's such a hard time right now in the world with the COVID kicking back up. In China, we see that that's where it started. That's how we got it where we are all at. Um, so let's not feel, oh, it's over there, which is what we thought before, but it's coming. It's coming. The next thing, the violence in the schools. Oh my God, I can't even go there, honestly. But I didn't come to talk about that. I came to talk about hidden potentials or disguised opportunities. What are those, right? But a lot of times I see we, as humans, we turn on opportunities because it doesn't look exactly how it's supposed to look, or how we think it will come, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a job, so, or a school opportunity. So for me, I wanted to go to UA and study. I spoke about this before, right? I didn't get the KIPS in high school because I was going through a lot at that time. But I was working and then I went back to school and went to Maths Unlimited to redo my KIPS. Got my ones and all of that. Fine. However, while at Maths Unlimited, I learned about Ukraine. Remember, I have this trajectory. I'm going to UA, but then I learned about Ukraine. It's a different trajectory. Ups and downs and the bumps, and I applied and I got through. If I had not taken up that dream again and said, okay, I still want to go to UA even though I didn't get through the first time, if I'd given up on it, I wouldn't have found out about Ukraine, right? So don't give up on your dream. Keep fighting for it. Yeah? Even sometimes you may not know what it is, but go in the trajectory of what you think you should do in your life. You never know where that road will lead you. Another one, I remember I heard of a pharmacist that she couldn't get a job, so there was a job for a janitor position or post in a pharmacy, so she took it. And one day when the pharmacist was there and struggling with dispensing some medication, she assisted the pharmacist, and the pharmacist was like taken aback, like, how do you even know this? And she's like, I'm actually a trained pharmacist. And when a position opened up, she got that job. Another one, I can give you a testimony from my mom. She should totally give the full one another time. But in about 1997 or 1998, she did a course in patient care assistant. She did her patient care assistant course, right? She was working at a school at the time. But she was working at a school at the time. But that's what she wanted to do. She always knew she wanted to do something in nursing. So she went and pursued that dream. Yeah. Anyways, it wasn't until 10 years later that she finally got a job at the hospital that she worked at for 15 years. And she got that job as a cook in the daycare there. She said she took it because she knew that it was a stepping stone and she wanted to be in the system. She had been applying for years to HR and not getting through for patient care assistant PCA position. So she said, let me apply for this, and she got through. After getting through, meaning as a daycare chef, then she just applied, and because she was in the system and she made herself known to the HR, she got through and she got a position, and she was in that position for 15 years. Sent her children to school, completed projects that she needed, like her house or whatever. And when I look at that, I came from that, not giving up on my dreams. So I couldn't, meaning seeing her not give up on her dreams, so I couldn't give up on mine, right? My husband and I, funny enough now, was talking about our relationship, and I was saying to him, there are a lot of people who are commenting me on my scrubs, on my what I wear. For the most part, I don't even buy clothes. My husband buys my clothes in general. So, but when we met, it was the other way around, where I used to be the stylish one. I used to be the one, telling him how to dress, advising him and all that. And I called him and I said, how strange, how times and the tables have turned, that you have become the stylish one. And this is what he said to me. Can you imagine if he didn't give me a chance? Can you imagine if he didn't give me a chance and he wouldn't be this stylish now on my behalf and whatever? And he was hyping himself up. But I thought about that and I'm like, yeah, So you see someone who not necessarily can dress at the time, but it may be finances, or it may be they've just never been opened up to that world. You know, the potential is there. You see that this person is driven. You see that this person, you know, would be a good partner, you know, your best friend, and whatever you need in a partner. And you don't give them a chance because it doesn't look like what you pictured it to be. In my walk foot, so you know, yeah. And it just dawned on me that this is something that we do a lot. We do not give opportunities the chance because they're disguised, or they don't look exactly how we think they will look. And I'm gonna tell you, don't do that. Give it a chance. Give things a chance. I'm not necessarily telling you to go into a relationship where you see no potential or you see no chance of anything happening. Of course, the person has to prove that to you, you know, but like jobs and stuff like that, give it a chance. It can be a stepping stone. Sometimes you just want to get into an organization. You go in as a receptionist, you never know where you'll end up. I have seen many instances in life where that happens. Never give up on yourself, and don't give up on opportunities. That is what I wanted to say today. So there are disguised opportunities out there. It may not look exactly how you think it will go. It may not look how exactly you imagined it, but take a chance, and you can always switch. I have a friend, I'm not gonna call her name, but she'll know herself. She is so driven, and she name change job. She name change the job them as much as she needs to get where she is, where she needs to be. And I commend her for that. Right now she's in a job that she really likes, and it's just because she has not given up, and she has not settled to be like, she's in a job, she's sending out those applications, she's like, this is not it, but I'm in this to get to there, so my bills can be paid, so I can do this. And I'm not saying to sit in anything that makes you unhappy. Another point is to set yourself up for the opportunity. So not because you don't see it, you don't set yourself up, right? So if my mother she knew she wanted to do something in nursing, she knew she wanted to do something in patient care, she made herself qualified. Make yourself qualified. Yeah. So that when the opportunity comes and the door opens, whether disguised or plain as day, you can jump at it, right? So I leave you with that, and pray for discernment, so when these opportunities come, you can say, okay, a stepping stone, not necessarily the end, but a stepping stone. All right, have a good day. I hope you'll be good this coming week amidst all that's happening in the world. Remember, my thing that keeps me grounded is devotional life, my family, that support system. So I implore you to do those things, and just keep your eye out for those opportunities. Have a good one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below. If you've ever had an experience where you've had disguised opportunities and the Lord has revealed to you this is where you should be, and it really played out the right way. All right. Have a good day. Bye, everyone.